Go.
Okay, now the guys do their part, and they're going to take the 2 sticks, so pretend my fingers are the sticks. They're going to take their right arm, slap it once, slap it twice, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you put it together, the sticks, and you hold both of them, and then you do that for 2 beats, like 1, 2, and then for the next 2 beats you go 3, 4, and then you split the sticks, so you have one on this hand, one on this hand, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? So that's what the guys do. Then the little girls, they go na 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 na, and they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then they go down and look at the big girls. Alright? And so basically you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then go down. Okay? And then what the big girls are going to do, well, the little girls are doing it, so the big girls and the little girls are doing it this at the same time. Instead of going da-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na, they're going to have the pots in their hands, so they're going to just mimic it with the opposite arm. So whatever side you go first, that side the arm is holding the pot, and the other hand's coming in. So first with your right, that's out, then your left, that's out, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hold it, because the young girls will look, and while they're looking you just pose, and then the left girls, they take their pots and they throw the confetti, and then the left girls, they throw the confetti. Alright, so that will be the end. Thank you.